So we've had a hearty breakfast at Mother's Hut, and now we are back on the road. Uh, this traffic's quite a lot actually. Plenty of trucks on the road. As you can see, oncoming traffic. But that's our road conditions for you anyway. So nothing can be done about it. So we are headed towards Malda. We'll probably take a short break at Malda for lunch. Should take us around 4 hours to reach. The road conditions are not too bad. Conditions are actually good. The road condition surface is good, but traffic, well, nothing can be done about it. Mr. Pitachaji is in the driver's seat, and well, we'll catch up with you soon. Hopefully the road conditions will get better, as in the trucks will vanish and we can drive a bit more faster. Fingers crossed. See you soon.